COVID-19 is a once-in-a-century pandemic. In order to keep families safe and the economy running, many companies have asked their employees to work from home, increasing their risk of a security breach.
Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Zach Schuler from NINJIO Radio coming to you from the heart of Studio City in Los Angeles. Taking calls today from everyone trying to stay safe, in the virtual sense of the word. We're working from home during this viral pandemic. Let's take our next caller. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Oh, Zach, thank goodness. My name is John, and my company sent me home to work, and they told me to use my own computer and my own iPhone. And it's got me so nervous. Well, really, frazzled might be a better word for it. So bear with me, okay?
No need to be frazzled, John.
It's just, see, I'm kind of a newbie when it comes to technology. And now people are going to find out. And what the heck should I do? I haven't touched this computer in a year.
John, I promise we'll get you through this. First of all, as soon as that computer's powered up, we need to make sure you immediately update your operating system. In Windows, type Windows Update in the search bar. It will take you right to the update screen. If you're using a Mac, hit the Apple menu, About This Mac, and Software Update. This is priority number one, John. Even if your computer's been powered on this entire time, manually download and apply these updates. They contain vital security patches.
Well, duh, that seems obvious. Oops. What I meant to say was, great, thank you. See, I told you, I'm frazzled.
No problem. Glad to help.
Now, what about this old antivirus software I've got?
All right, John, your antivirus software, it might be old, but I still need you to use it, okay? Just update it immediately and pay the subscription fee. If it only offers antivirus protection, seek guidance from your tech department on a more complete security software. You might look at WebRoot Internet Security Complete or Sophos Home Premium.
Is that an advertisement? They paid you to say that, didn't they?
No, John, none of the recommendations I make in this broadcast are paid for. I'm familiar with their products and they work. By the way, I know many of you out there are now using your personal mobile phones for work email. These are also targeted by criminal hackers and they need similar protection. Seek advice from your organization on what mobile device software to use. Otherwise, look at Sophos Intercept X for mobile or Trend Micro Mobile Security. They're both available in the App Store or the Play Store.
Payola, I tell ya!
John, as I said, none of these companies are paying.
Let's just get on with it. Sheesh. I have important work to do, you know. So focus. Now, what if I'm out and about and I need to connect? I heard it's not safe to use public Wi-Fi. Is that true?
Well, John, you're right. It's not safe under any circumstance. However, if you have absolutely no other choice, whether on a laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, you must use mobile VPN software so that your communication over public Wi-Fi is encrypted and safe from criminals. Ask your tech folks what Wi-Fi VPN software they suggest. Otherwise, take a look at WebRoot Wi-Fi Security or NordVPN.
Please hold. I just got an email. Blah, 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 blah. Please open the attachment to get the latest statistics about the number of infections in a 3-mile radius of your home. Finally, valuable information.
John, don't open that attachment. It's likely a phishing attack. Coronavirus scams are all over the web right now. Only rely on informational emails that don't ask you to click, download, or open any attachments unless you're 1,000% sure it's legitimate.
Well, thanks a lot, Zach. Because I was really looking forward to opening that attachment to see what's inside.
Sorry to ruin your fun, John. Well, look at that. We're out of time. That's our last call for the day, folks. Please stay secure out there. But most importantly, please keep yourself and your family as healthy as possible.